So, water treatment stocks have gained popularity in recent times, and there are many such companies which are actually making profit with this business, and their share price is also going up. And 6 months back, there was a company listed which works in this field, and also this is also showing signs of growth in terms of sales and profit. What is the name of the company? Enviro Infra Projects. So today we are going to analyze this stock fundamentally and price action wise, and then we'll arrive at a conclusion if it's a good stock to invest in or not, and if it is a good stock, then when could be the best time to make an entry in this stock. Okay, so it will be a complete analysis video. Make sure to watch till the end, and just remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video to help you make better investment and trading decisions. With that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Enviro Infra Projects chart, but first of all, let's take a look at its official website. This is the official website. Although there is nothing much to discuss here, I will share this link. You have to do your homework and go through this official website and find out whatever you can about this company. Let's go to screener page and see some highlights. Established in the year 2009, Enviro Infra Engineers is engaged in the design, construction, operation and maintenance of water, wastewater treatment plants and water supply projects. Okay, so this is one of the stocks which mainly deals with water treatment. Okay, now the first thing that we are going to check is the basic fundamental numbers. Stock price 278, market cap under 5000 crore, so it's a small cap stock. Reserves it has is 818 crore and debt of 234 crore. So debt is small, not much. That's why debt to equity is looking good at 0.24. 3 years average sales growth 68.32, average profit growth 72.16. Earning per share is negative because it has been listed recently and then new shares have been issued, so earning per share obviously will drop. Okay, now return on asset 3 years average 19.08 and return on capital employed 46. So these numbers are looking very good to me. And interest coverage ratio 7.47, current ratio above 3, fantastic. Operating profit margin at 25, which is very good. Promoter holding stands at 70, ultimate debt score 8.24. These numbers are looking rock solid to me. Then we'll take a look at the profit and loss statement for last 3 years. Okay, 2023 sales was 338 crores, which went up to 729 crore in March 2024. Then in March 2025 1066 crore. Operating profit 82, 166, doubled, then 268. Very rapid growth in operating profit. Operating profit margin 24%, 23%, 25%. So almost 23 to 24% it is maintaining nicely. Okay, and the reason behind negative earning per share you can see here. Okay, because new shares were issued, so per share earning will decrease. So 21, then it came down to 7.29 and then 10.04. Okay, so then it recovered. Okay, now coming to shareholding pattern, here we are seeing little bit of disappointing numbers as of now. Okay, you see promoters have increased their stake slightly, 70.02 to 70.09, slight increase, but it's a good thing. But FIs and DIs have decreased in the last recorded quarter. We don't have the information of June quarter, it is up to March, but still we are seeing drop 1.45% to 0.65%, in FIs, in DIs 5.19% to 3.68%. But this is not all bad because we have June quarter's result yet to come out. Okay, and maybe there has been some increase or something, we do not know. Okay, we'll definitely get to see that. Now talking about the overall fundamental numbers, I will say that the stock is looking fundamentally strong. Growth has been good. The shareholding pattern, although it looks little bit of disappointing, but still we can deal with it. Okay, in coming days and weeks we will get to know if this stock is going to go up or down. Okay, now coming to the price action of this stock, you see Enviro Infra Engineers, okay, came up to a high after listing. It was listed here in December 2024 at 207 around, then it went up to almost 387, rapid rise. Then if I measure from there, it came down almost 50%. Okay, 50 to 52%. Okay, excuse me. Now here I am seeing the break of two trend lines clearly. Okay, one is from here Okay, I can connect. You can see this trend line was broken here. Okay, then the second trend line I can draw. You can also use this level as well. It's same thing, not a problem. You can bring it little bit closer. It's almost the same thing. Now from there, if I draw one more, you will see it has broken the second trend line as well. So the break of the second trend line definitely marks a solid turning point. And here, if I use the anchored VWAP and put it here in this level, what I am seeing here, you see it is exactly here. It is about to break the anchored VWAP level. It is facing resistance there, and this is not just some random level. This is a very important level. How do I know that? You see, if I use the fib retracement, okay, and draw from here to here, what do I see? The 50% level is exactly aligning with this black line, which is the anchored VWAP level. The 50% level is around 287. Do not go by this number that 287.25 should be the number which we should look for. No, round it up to 290. That is fine, not a problem. But the reason is that this level is actually an area of confluence. We are seeing multiple factors, multiple indicators and tools which are actually showing that this level is an important level. So I have marked this level in red, and I will remove this fib retracement so that the chart does not get too clumsy. Okay, and I can remove this anchored VWAP level as well. Okay, now what we should do is we should wait for the stock to make this level as its support, this 290 approximate level. And if I use the 150 days moving average, I can see that the 150 days moving average has started appearing here, and the stock is already using it as support. And along with that, if I put the 50 EMA, I can see a small crossover here. Okay, you can see a crossover here, then the stock starting to go up. So what I would suggest is that you should wait for the stock to make this level, this 290 to 300 level. Okay, because obviously the support resistance things are zones, not exactly a particular line. So you should wait for the stock to use this level as its support. Okay, it might face some resistance here, and if it gives a proper base and breaks out, then there is a very high chance that it will use this as the support, and that will be the proper point of entry for wise investors. Okay, so that was the overall outlook on Enviro Infra Engineers. I hope this video was useful and informative. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.